Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you 12 tips how to increase your popularity, viewers and subscribers on YouTube. I know that you're looking this video probably on DTube, but it doesn't matter. You can learn something here, going there. It's always good to post your video in every platform to give more chance to make money. Okay, let's start. The first tip is to go to VidIQ website. They offer different solutions to help you how to find the tags. They have a free browser extension here. You can install it. I already installed it. And they offer different plans. I have the Pro version. I will show you what it does. But you can install at least, you should have this free Chrome extension. So now that you have installed this Chrome extension, you can see, for example, some data. You can see my subscriber and how many people view the channel in the last 60 minutes. You're gonna have this little toolbar that show up the rating between likes and dislike. And a lot of more feature, like the competitors, trend alert. You can create some trend alerts. You're gonna receive in the mail. They say, for example, my alert is based on Apple. So show me all the video related to Apple computer. Send me in the email, and that's very good to see what video are ranking right now. You can see a channel audit. It will show your channel and see what you can improve. And you see, it will show you also your competitor and viewers. Many features. So that's very nice. You see, it gives you a lot of data that you don't get this with YouTube. So let's go on the second tip. And when you created your video, the one tip is to give the name of the file, the name of your video. So you see, my video is about I teach you how to make video with iPhone with the ND filter, blah blah blah, no? And the video file name itself is the title. We don't really know if Google is going to actually look up for that, but we're thinking that it will look. So it can be good. And so my advice is to put the file name of the video as the title, at least some keyword related, not like just video 1, 2, 3, my wonderful video 2. So put that. So now let's see, we're gonna try to upload this video and I'm going to show you what the plugin does. So click upload. Okay, we'll drag it on top. Okay, so I have my default description. We have our tags that we can remove right now. So if you don't have the extension installed, you're not gonna see all this detail here, all this help. So the first thing we're gonna see is the video title. Video title, you need to have good keywords. If you use the file name as a title, like I explained you now in the previous step, this is gonna be your title. You can update, you can add more stuff. I think like in YouTube, like in Google, the first keywords here are the most important. And also you cannot put, you cannot put so many keywords. I think the first one are the most important. So in my case, cinematic, motion blur, filming, is fine. Okay. So title is important. VidIQ extension gives you the option to put some emoji. Very easy. I always use this emoji. Let's put a pizza. Everybody loves pizza. So emoji, like that. Then you have your main description, links. But also you should write a description of the video, and and using keywords. So I'm not typing now, but I will say cinematic motion filming on the iPhone. Why do I do? Because I want to have the blur motion like in the movie, and also try to have keywords, not just like blah blah blah. It's very cool this video because I shot with my cat. No, filming iPhone, cinematic, wonderful tutorial. So keywords, very important. Now we'll go to the tags. Tags. You should have keyword phrases, no keywords. Because let's say I shot with an iPhone, so I'm going to put iPhone, and you see it's gonna auto-populate and give you the based on what people search, what's the most important keyword, it will give you that. But if you place just a simple keyword like iPhone, your video will never show up, because let's imagine that people search iPhone. Do you think your channel will come up? Probably Apple and the big person, they do all kind of video, they will show up and never show up yours. But if you find your niche, so in this case actually my video is quite a niche, because it's a new thing that you add ND filter and polarized filter on iPhone and do cinematic ideas. So if you put iPhone ND filter adapter, I bet that not many people use that. And so this is very kind of niche video. So this is not the kind of video will make 1 million of viewers probably, but nobody else does. So in case people is getting very popular, your video will show up. No problem. So tags, you have the counter. So you just start typing some. Then I want how to make. You see all the suggestion, but I want how to make good videos. And then for YouTube, good, I like this one. And then you can do the same, or also you can click on top and it will show you other suggested. How to make better videos, good, I like it. How to make video with better quality. Because if you put just iPhone X ND filter cinematics, probably nobody will search it, because a lot of people, they don't even know what ND filter is, or ND natural density filter. So it's better to try to be like that. And this is so long keyword that your video probably will have a chance to be found. So this one I like it, how to make better videos. And then sometimes, if for good keywords, it will show you the chart. Let's see, we can research something else. Okay, on YouTube, it show you on YouTube what a lot of people search. They search how to make good YouTube. So we like that. We can click on top. We can explore on Google Trend, and now you can see other data, how to make good YouTube. Okay. And sometimes he give you how to make good videos. Quindi that is a good keyword to use it. Also, you can see other people related video are doing. They are not so much related, but they show related trending videos. So you can go like that, adding more. Also, he will show this chart here. So let's make a keyword more generic. iPhone video film look. Let's see if this keyword it's okay. No. Let's just search for film look. No. Let's just search for cinematic. Okay, you see the volume of search is very high, and the competition is very high. So probably for cinematic, unless your YouTube is popular, you're not gonna be on the first page. But if you find a keyword that the search popularity is very high and the competition is very low or like that, that's a good keyword, because a lot of people search it, but there are not many people they are offering that kind of search and keywords that everybody's looking for. So that's, they see a lot of tips that you don't get with just regular YouTube. Okay, so that you should have keyword phrases. Also, before I can go on and on like that, but sometimes I always do this. I go to YouTube and I search how to make good videos on YouTube, no? And I see what other people doing, and you see with this tool, VidIQ, it will show you their tags. So you see their tags, you see this video, which tags are using. You can see that probably they are using the extension 2 or a different extension, because they don't use small keywords like this video here. This video doesn't care because they already have 4 million of people. But the other channel, you see, they make all these very nice keyword phrases, so they know the rules. You see, this one is PewDiePie doesn't care because I have 66 million viewers and subscribers, so doesn't care. So anyway, you click one, you see the keywords fine, you can click the video.
So what are the...
And you're gonna scroll here, give you a lot of information. That's also for give you a lot of information, and you can see what keywords are for what keywords this video is ranking for. How to make good video on YouTube video is number 1. So your video too eventually will get something like that. It means that people that search tip for making YouTube video, when people search for this kind of keyword, this video will rank 18 position. So let's see, for example, some of my videos. I'm Mirkojax on YouTube. I'm Mirkojax on DTube. I'm Mirkojax in every place. I do mostly in Italian, but occasionally I do also English. I do cheesecake. Let's see one of my popular videos. This is in Italian. It's how to create wireless headphone AirPods. You can see the I rank with cuffie means AirPods, no? Means headphone. Headphone wireless, number 9. How to build a wireless headphone. So you see how many, my ranking, very nice. Also here it give you all kind of statistic. It give you the tips, if the tags are okay. Title, too long. But I think it doesn't matter. I mean, YouTube probably will see this part and it will not care about the rest. Share on YouTube, done. Rating score, very cool. And where the people are searching many keywords, you can test yourself. Not going to all details, and I'll go straight to the number 6. Of course, when you done all the tags, and you make all the description, and you make all your beautiful title, also give you hints and tips what do you do next. So you upload, you click publish. Now in this case I'll just put private because I don't want to publish. After you publish, you can go here and see, click at least one end screen. So you need to have an end screen. End screen are videos that you put at the end, and you can use a template, or you can import from a previous video. I always do that, and it will, in my case, it will put my subscriber, my other channel, my website, and video next. I used to have more videos here. I decided to have only one to make a focal point just on one video. So end tag, end title, end videos, end screen. Good. So after you done that, you can move it around, you save it, then you put cards. YouTube used to have annotation, but they decide to remove it. Now there are cards, and cards are like links on the YouTube. You add a card, you can promote a different video, you can put a custom little message that it will show up on the top of the video. So cards are like links. You need to do that because you want to engage your audience, so your audience doesn't change. Also, usually people watch videos for a maximum of 2 minutes. So I usually put my chart at 2 minutes. This video is very short. Maybe I usually put 2 or 3 cards because then I have my end screen videos. After you've done the card, if your channel you are over 1,000 and you can monetize, you can also put a link to your website. So in my case is Mirkojax.com. When you've done all this, you can go back and you can when you click public to go live, you can click and share on Twitter and Google Plus, but you need to manually share on Facebook. In fact, it's gonna tell you here some tips. Then after the video is live, I usually put my links like promotional links or check out this other video as a comment, and I pin the comment. To pin the comment, you need to go to the video. This video is not live because it's private, but you place a comment and then there is a little option here on the right. You click it and you say pin it. Also, when you go back, let's go back. It's a good idea to categorize your videos in a playlist. So people, maybe they can watch other video in the same playlist. And also the plugin tell you to, if you want to increase the chance of the video to be found, to be popular, to add also a caption. You can create a auto caption, so YouTube will figure out automatically, but you will probably make a mistake, so you need to go and fix all the mistake. You can also translate the video in a different language to increase the chance of be found in different language. And that's it. That's all the tricks I know so far. Yes, so after the video go live and you start getting comments, try always to reply and be nice and make likes on the comments. So you try to engage the people, and so you will eventually become very popular. And that's all for this tutorial, and see you next time. And subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, let me know. See you later. Bye!